My name is Leandro, and I am 71 years old. From Monday to Friday in the morning, I wake up at 5 a.m. I do my per- personal hygiene with dress and have a good breakfast to start the day with energy. After that, I check my teacher announcements on the platform and do my academic tasks. In the afternoon, we have lunch at home and then I focus on attending to my business and organizing my personal affairs.